Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Apocalyptic Beauty April unboxing, and the month was Disco Space Alien. So I got it in the beginning of May, but I just was traveling too much, so I couldn't upload it before. I wanted to do it last week, but it just time flew away. I'm at the moment in Turkey, so that's why different filming location, and also I'm sorry if the lighting is messed up. I just there is natural light, but I feel like it makes everything too warm toned. But yeah, and this bag contains only Apocalyptic Beauty items, and there is this time 5 full-size items, and everything came like in this silvery packaging, very space. And you have all the items and ingredients listed here on this paper. I will leave all the box info on my blog as usual. You can check that out and see how you can order it for yourself. They do ship internationally. I'm based in Belgium, but yeah, that's where my package goes. And the first thing is a lip gloss. It's their Flying Saucer lip gloss. It's like this kind of silver. It's I swatched it here, and I also have it on my lips, so it's not it makes your lips dewy, I would say, if I look in the viewfinder. And it's not too like, how to say, pigmented, so it's a perfect top coat thing. And I also will find out if you can buy these items separately. Some of the previous box items were on their page listed, and you could try them separately. So next we have, let me see, this is their Planet X glitter. Now I did not have eyelash glue, otherwise I would have used this. I would try. So that's how this looks. These are so pretty. I can't wait to make a look using this. Now next we have 2 eyeshadows. I have them swatched here. The purple one is called Evila, and this is what I have used with the more darker purple on my lower lash line. And the other more pink shade is Ulala, and this is a hair. It's all it's what I wear all over my day today. See, and then they have this highlighter. It's totally silver. I did put it in the beginning of the day on my cheekbones, but I think it's gone away. I put it very sparingly because it is silver, and there is sparkle, and like, I don't know, it's like a grayish silver. I have it in a corner of the eye, and I love it there. It's beautiful. It's called their Ray Gun, and there's tons of product. I don't know if I will go through it all, but this, I swatched it here. I'm not sure if it comes if it shows up very well, but it's very like reflective, definitely shimmery. There is some sparkle to it, and I really like how it fit with this like warm tone eye look that I have going on. I really liked it. So this is this I want to say this month, but it's April's. This is April's, and the May's one will be Feline. Oh, I can't read. Feline Fatal. I'm really eager to see. I would think oranges and reds, but we will see. But I did expect in the Alien one pinks and purples, so We will see. I want warm tones. That's maybe browns. Nudes would be nice too. But I'm really happy with that glitter I got. I think it's great way to try out an indie brand. I feel like in Europe we don't have that many like this kind of indie brands. If you know any, let me know in the comments section. I would love to try. But I feel like in US there is more. Maybe just me. Maybe I'm looking in the wrong places. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!